يا صباح الفلافل والحمص والبابا غنوج. Remember me? Ramses. You should thank me, my friend. Right. Thanks. No, really. The English lady paid me to get rid of you, but me, I'm a nice guy. I saved your life. Right now, I am the only friend you got. And now you figure I owe you something. Is that it? Smart guy. I like that. You're way ahead of me. It is really a simple question. Aram of the pillars. Of course. Where is it? I don't know, buddy. Bullshit. Look, even if I did know, my life wouldn't be worth very much once I told you. No, would it? You insult me. You are a pirate. And a good businessman. Give me some respect. Let's try this again. Where is Aram, Nathan? Look, you can charge me all you want. Okay. But I can't tell you what I don't know. Maybe so. We'll see if your friend is more cooperative. What? Who? Your friend, Victor Sullivan. I don't want to do this. At his age, it may be too much for him. Wait. No. You have given me no choice. Perhaps your friend will be more grateful for his life. Wait, leave Sully alone. Bye, Nathan. You don't touch him. This is gonna be fun.